Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can find the history of installed apps on the Google Play Store. So here, if you want to find the apps that you used to install on your phone in the past, so you can just easily find it on the Google Play Store by clicking on your photo at the top right corner. Click on the Manage App and Device. Click on the Manage. And here you can see this box, the blue one, installed. Click on that and you'll find, or you need to click the not install. So not install in here means that the apps currently not installed on your phone, but they have been installed in the past, maybe on your previous phone, or you just uninstall it in the past. So you can find the list of the apps in here. If you want to reinstall the apps, just click on the apps and click on install again. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment, and also click on thanks. Bye.